Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bella Lisfatia from Robotics B Morning. In this video, I will explain the final exam about optical character recognition on vehicle license plate using visual language model. Based on the working instruction from our lecture, we must to use this dataset from this link, and then we create the program to perform optical character recognition on vehicle license plate using visual language model and run Proc LM Studio and integrated with the Python programming language, and also upload to the on GitHub and set to the public repository. And previously, I uploaded my own code to my own GitHub, and here this is my code. And here I only use the dataset from the test folder, especially in this test folder. And then before that, I create a program code to generate the ground truth from image that defined from the class name. And then the VLM concept and its application for OCR. VLM is a multimodal AI model that can process image and text input simultaneously and provide text-based output. The model I use in this assessment is the Quan model that I defined in this line, and VLM is used to leverage its visual understanding capabilities. VLM receives input in the form of a license plate image plus text prompt. Then VLM will understand the context of the image and respond as if a human were reading the license plate. And the LM Studio is a desktop application for developing and experimenting with LLM locally on your computer. And the Python program plus LM Studio integrated is performed by a Python script sends a request to LM Studio using this server. And then after that, the pilot is format in OpenAI style chat format. And then and then LM Studio processes the request and return the prediction result. And the prediction result are retrieved by the Python script from the JSON response. And then for the inference and evaluation process, the inference process is performed throughout the prediction process using the VLM model that there is the model name is Quen, and then the license plate content based on image input and prompt text. The evaluation process is done by comparing the prediction result with the ground truth using the character error rate metric. Character by character comparison is performed using algorithms such as Levin state distance to calculate the minimum error between the ground truth and the prediction. A character error rate value more than 1.0 indicate that the prediction is significantly off with many insertion or omission. And then I will show you that how the programming Python language that connected to the LM Studio. And then this is my own code to connect the Python language program to the LM Studio. And then this is we must configuration endpoint LM Studio that we put the local server of the LM Studio. And then for the program that I will running in the terminal, we can get the image and then the ground truth, the prediction, and then the CER or character error rate. That explanation about the character error rate from successful or failed example that we get from the prediction.csv allow character error rate value under 1.0 indicate a successful evaluation with nearly accurate prediction, and the model successfully read number and letters in order. And for the failed example, a high CER or a high character error rate value more than 1.0 indicate a failed evaluation with inaccurate prediction, where the model incorrectly read the sequence and even insert irrelevant character, likely due to visual noise, inference, or the style of the license plate writing. And then I will show you how the LM Studio make it the output from LM Studio chat. And this is its view of the UI in LM Studio that I use the model is Qwen, and I will test from the chat manually in LM Studio that I input the image and then I will input the text prompt, and the result or the output will show the text of the image that this is the number of the part that the first image or the first bubble chat explain the correct output from this input from text and then the input image. And for the second bubble chat, that we can input the image and also input the text prompt, that the output is incorrect because they have the noise from the character that not same from this image. And then during the while we are running the program from the terminal in Visual Studio Code, that we use the server from the LM Studio. In LM Studio, we'll running in this developer logs, and then we'll receive and transmit into the terminal Visual Studio Code, and then to the LM Studio developer logs. Okay, and then that's all my explanation. I apologize if there is a mistake when I explanation about this final exam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.